follow me to check out this late night food spot.
Sauced by 2 youths.
I actually did an interview with Sarju almost 2 years ago, and he didn't have a location at that time, so it's very nice to see the evolution. He said to give it about 5 minutes, so in a few I'm just going to go over there and check it out, and then make Walter try it as well.
Yeah, I want some food long.
Thank you so much. Now that's what I call a shawarma. So this is Sauced by 2 Youths, and it's located at Pickle and Chill in Barbican, and I got the chicken shawarma.
Bread Sophie. That is it.
I love the sauce, love the freshness of the vegetables. The flavor of the chicken is just right. It's filling as hell. Very good. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Where you come from? Try to tell me no eating, bro. Honest opinion?
I want more spice. I told you to make it for you, man.
Check them out, they're open from 12 to 12. Yo, which day are open till 5 o'clock, Sarju?
Friday and Saturday were there, is it? Done sorting on the mud side.